Hello everyone, this is Rahul from techblockowner.com, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can exclude IP address from Google Analytics. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to log in into your Google Analytics account and you will see this kind of screen in front of you. Now then you have to click on admin in the top, okay, and then you have to click on you have to select the view for which you want to exclude the IP addresses and then click on filters. So then you will see a add filter red button, then click on it and define the name as per your convenience about the filter of IP address. For example, I want to name it as my internal IP. Okay. And there are predefined filters exclude and include. You have to click on exclude. After that, you need to click on select source or destination. Then you have to click on traffic from IP addresses. Now select the expression. Select the expression will have four options. For example, you have 10 IP addresses and you want to exclude all of them. Then you can start with that begin with. And if you want to exclude a particular IP address, then click on that are equal to. Okay, now if I want to find my IP address, then I will click on, sorry, I will search on my IP address on Google. So it will tell you your address. Okay, like I have been able to see my IP address. Now copy this and just paste it here and save it. Okay, now you can see you have filter applied as my internal IP, and if I am visiting on my website now, then I won't be able to see the session in my real-time traffic. For example, let me visit my website. Okay, now I'm you can see I'm not able to see my location. I'm from India, so the current visitor is from Singapore, so you can see it is working. That's all guys in this video, and if you like my video, then do subscribe my channel for seeing certain videos like this in the coming future. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.